I don't know if you can hear me. It's very noisy. Sweet doggy is so cool. It doesn't bark or anything like that. So the family here is cooking breakfast for us in an oven.
Yeah.
Very good. Voila. Our landlord wants to show us the inside of the house. So the clay is and mixed with some straw, so it keeps everything together. That's the living room. Yeah. It is cement. They put cement on this.
Cement.
Yeah, cement. Yeah, just to keep it. But you see the thick walls.
La terrasse, c'est ça.
Ah, c'est intéressant.
C'est la cuisine.
Oh, the kitchen. Very good. And a courtyard.
Et ça, ici.
Oh, that's the grinder.
We have the same thing.
Oui, oui, oui.
Yeah. So they grind the corn here.
Adilibili.
Yes.
Same in Philippines.
Oui, oui.
Yeah.
Ah, c'est les photos, si vous voulez.
Oh, they have cows and goats. And we go out this way. Yeah, so the house is interconnected with the farm part of the residence. So they go down there and they cut the grass and bring it up here.
Les briques, c'est ça.
Yeah, the brick. He makes these bricks. Yeah. You mix
Yeah.
2 different kinds of soil, and with the extra leftover straw.
Et la musique, ça.
Yeah. And they are remarkably strong. The only thing that takes them apart is the weather. You like
Hello
the
guys, so we have our freshly baked
bread
bread
for
breakfast.
this morning? And I'm sure there's other things coming now. Okay, we just almost finished. We get so excited when we get food here. So with the bread, you take a small piece, dip it in olive oil, and then you have a little bit of egg. There's some spices on, we don't know what it is. And then you have sweet tea. That was our breakfast today, and great thanks to our landlords. At this point, we don't know if we're paying extra for the food, but as far as I can read, nobody's talking about extra money if the food 2 times per day is included in the 100 dirham, which is like 10 euro. Then it's pretty cheap to stay here.
Yeah. Bye, see you later. Alright guys, motorcycle, it's not allowed to go there, so we gonna walk there and we will just park our bike somewhere here.
Coming
Ah,
down.
yeah.
Yes,
You do it?
Yeah,
This is your one?
many times.
What do you do like? You're
I'm-
engineer.
Yes.
I see that in your face.
Yeah. I do many things.
Lot of it. And your wife?
She's doing administration. Of course, she's a woman. She's doing,
You know,
administration.
Google.
computer.
Google.
Yes,
Satellite.
a lot of good. So we have been advised not to go to the gate because they will charge us 10 dirham. We will go around this way and they will charge nothing because there's no control. So now we're crossing the river.
So it was, this river is full of water last 2014. So that was how long ago? That's 8 years.
Yeah, that was the year that Ukraine lost Crimea and half of Donbass. Yeah, so that's 8 years ago.
And this water, they come from Atlas. It's salty water. Salty.
Mineral water.
Why in Atlas they cross the minerals in the salt. Salty is ملح. واد الملح.
Are we really going to the top?
No, you stay here. I'll go.
Inside, it's nice.
You just stay here. There's no need for you to go. So we're going to that location where Gladiator was playing.
Oh my!
You know that they film from here with the camera.
Yeah, that's right.
It's nice.
Yeah.
This is the place where they put the food for the animals.
Yes.
The storage place.
Right.
Storage. Oh, it's nice. It's warm. Good here.
Very cool.
This is the kitchen. That is the oven. That is modern kitchen.
There's the babies.
They go to the top and then they come back to drink tea here.
Okay.
They come back for tea.
Alright.
Name of the village, castle. Sar is a castle. Ait is Berber tribe. Ben is the son of Hadu. Hadu is the name of the boss.
Go. Go.
Ah, it's so hot. I'm giving up.
Station to the top. Apla. Apla.
Apla!
Apla.
Hurry up, Apla!
Here's a woman carrying a phone. I'm the one who's carrying all the stuff up.
And we are here in the movie Game of Thrones.
Game of
That's you?
Thrones.
Yeah, that's it's me here. Yeah, like this in the Game of Thrones. That is me. In Gladiator, 10 years. In 2000. That is all the movies, the list. Lawrence of Arabia, Omar Sharif, Sean Connery. And the last movie with this actor is Joe Malkovich. He's American. Seneca.
Seneca. Okay, so UN has put money into this after it was recognized as a World Heritage Site. All these stone paths, pretty cool. So here we're inside the old kasbah. Not much left of that. I don't think it's been maintained for many years. So that was like a strong point. So now on the top. Max is taking a breather in the shade.
We call them the Bedouins. Bedouins, it's a people, they wear black. And you know, please, Bedouins people, they came from Africa.
Okay, so they've invited us for a cup of tea. Just waiting for these things to come. Right. Oh. Yes, always. So we had the chance of
No, from Marrakesh, from Gaza, here, cheap rate.
very pricey, very pricey. Very nice.
Straight from the factory.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. And that was a small, quick visit at the Berber house. And some really, really nice handmade weaved carpets. Now we'll go, we're pretty much finished now, so we just go out through the kasbah. And the kasbah is just like a 3-level house with 4 towers. And there's I think 7 kasbahs here. We'll go down and see one of them. It's the kasbah. So that belongs to the rich people. These kasbahs there, they have 4 towers, high walls, 3 level high. We are now back across the river where the motorbike was left. And we promised to get back here for a cup of tea. Is it nice? You said there wasn't running water here. It is running water. So he's telling us that he has, so he's the owner of this one there, and the owner of the place where we're staying, the camping place up there. Right there. Right there. So he was working in the small river here that was left of it in this dry season here. And we are just joining him just to see what he's doing up here.
It's very sharp.
Oh, okay. So on this side here you can hear there's a lot more water running. Oh yeah, it is sharp. Right, we'll find out what he's doing over here. Okay, so there's a canal up here, and he's directing water to his fields out here. So they make temporary fields that is then overflown by the river once in a blue moon. But the settlements from the river, of course, is carrying a lot of nutrients for the plants. So there's probably very fertile here. There's a canal there, all the way up here. So we're now at the old kasbah. It is, he has abandoned probably a few years ago. Let's see. Crawl up here and have a look. Alright. Okay. Yeah. It's a view. Here's the fields again, a better look of the fields.
All this smoke.
Yeah, the bricks he's making from the other side, yeah. Yeah. It's very handy. Else to see. Okay, be careful with the head. Go ahead. Bigger. There was electricity here once. But the thing is with these mud brick houses is that if you don't maintain them. Oh, that was water, not electricity. Oh, so yeah, if you don't maintain them, the rain basically takes the walls down relatively quickly if you don't maintain the roof and all these things. Let's have a look in here. Not so much like that. So here's the inside of the kasbah. So it's been quite big. Quite big. Yeah. I think this kasbah here, there's been many families in here. Very big. Yeah, it's big. Big place this.
Yeah.
So he forgot the key, so we have to look through a little bit. Yeah, so there's 9 rooms on each side of this. Let's see. Let's see. Have a peek. There's rooms on this side, and there's rooms on the other side. So 9 rooms in total. So the kasbah actually had its own little mosque. Pretty cool to see. We are so lucky. The landlord is cooking for us every day, morning and evening, and we have bread that was made this morning, and Max is gonna reveal what is it's called.
Vegetables, tangine vegetables.
Tangine vegetables. Isn't that fantastic? We are going for a drum session with the family. We're really tired, but they insist that we're going before we go and sleep. So they go up in the, what do they call it? The saloon. We'll drum a little bit and then we'll go to sleep. All right, let's join them. I don't know if it's very evident. I've already been outside in this storm that came in today and secured the tent a lot more than it was before. Yeah, one of the pegs came off. I don't know how it would be if we would not be inside this roof, this structure here. It might have saved us. So, good luck to us. We still have a few hours of this. So here you go. One peg came off out there. I have to go out again.
Oh my.
Better stay there to hold the things down.
Yes, although this is last morning, we're packing. We had a storm the other day. Our landlord was kind to get out of bed because he knew that the wind that we have faced that evening was severe. So he came over and he helped us. And I just want to go through what we did with the tent that night. We very quickly put down some pegs, and he had a few pegs lying around that he picked up. And then we grounded these pegs here, also here. I'm gonna take this. He actually gave us as a gift some pigs that he made for us that we can bring with us to the desert. So if there's another storm, these pigs will make sure that the tent will stay. Those small ones there, they break. They bend and break. Anyway, I hope you got the idea. Watch our videos because there's a lot more trouble to come. I'm pretty sure. But we'll get through them.
Not looking back,